glad you're joining me. So we're debating whether risk versus reward. We say risk, and we say reward. So we're gonna come over here to this little cove and pitch out, see if we can't put some fish on this ski. And the whole time we're gonna kind of keep a watch on that, because I think we can outrun that if we have to. Hopefully we won't have to.
You coming at me, coming at me, coming at me.
You got a bass.
Get pissed off.
It is a bass.
Oh shit, he come off.
Oh no! I guess he didn't pull the rod up.
You can learn to set the hook over there. So far, no reward. Joe's had 3 on and 3 off. At least he said 3. We ain't got nothing on yet.
Glasses on. I'm fishing.
Everybody's fishing. When that mountain right there gets cleared, then the water will be, the rain will be stopped. Yeah, looks like the rain's not going away, Terry. Guess we're going right back in the rain, not fishing. Oh well, that's fishing. Okay guys, so that was a pretty fun day, except for we didn't get to fish very much. Didn't catch any fish or anything like that, but I mean, just to bring a little bit of light to the situation, there were some storms in the area. I take my cell phone, I look at the radar. I've got thousands upon thousands of hours on the water, on boats and jet skis and whatnot, and you should not ever take that lightly. Always life vest, always safety precautions first. Know your exits, know where the closest ramp to get off the water is, or even an island. It doesn't matter. If something comes up on you, you need to be ready. Don't take it for granted that, oh, it's just gonna pass and the radar looks this or that, because I'm here to tell you, it can change in a heartbeat, and it is scary when it does. So anyway, that's another quick trip on the jet ski, and I was on my 21 Fish Pro, and that was Joe with me, and he's on a 22 or 23, I think it's 22 SVHO limited. Great Yamaha ski. I put a little poke in there about how you have to access their storage compartments, because it is a pain in the stomach or whatever. So anyway, thanks for watching, you guys, and we will see you next time.